Hello. In this video we are going to finish our weapon setup. Select your weapon. Let's set fire point. Inside our weapon game object there is another game object called fire point. Drag it to fire point field. Now, move this game object to the point that fire must be shot. Also leave Z direction facing to direction of the fire. Let's attach our muzzle prefab. It's in the folder, DIOS Games. Shooter. Demo Assets. Prefabs. Effects. Drag muzzle assault rifle to the muzzle prefab field. You can also create a smoke effect that will be instantiated in the fire point and an impact effect that will be instantiated on the point that fire hit. Let's also attach some decals to our weapon. Go to Decals folder inside Prefab folder. Drag all bullet holes to the list. System will randomize the decals between 4 holes. Now, press play to see all effects working. Now we need to set holster position for our weapon. Create a game object inside chest rig. Name it as you want. You also need to set this object position to get weapon in the position that you want. In my case I'll paste values already defined. Now select your weapon. Drag the new holes to the field. Press play to see it working. All weapon also have more 2 parameters that can be changed. Clip size and auto reload. Clip size is the amount of bullet that a weapon can be filled. Default value is 30. You can change it to see how it works. You also can check auto reload to make character automatically reload bullets when the clip be empty. Press play and see it running.